It's been so long.
It's been so long.
We have been so busy. We have tribes at our church. We have
VBS
is
taking
this
up
week.
all of my time. This is what we're doing.
VBS. And you graduated high school.
I graduated high school. Since our last video, I graduated high school.
We've not filmed in a while because we filmed a bunch of videos and then released them. This is the first time in over a month.
The last time we filmed was when Jared was in Dallas. So,
well, what an exciting thing to come back and film to, though, because...
I know, we have so much.
We have so much. We have 3 albums. We have several singles. But first and foremost, taking the front, thank you, the front of the list, The Belonging Co. released a new album. We are not having time today.
I know.
As you can see,
Me
we're
and
at
Jared
VBS.
are about to go clean his house, I think.
Oh, that's terrible.
The inside of it. He just needs to get the insulation all out of the room. I don't know.
My brother's been flipping a house, and Cooper is helping him clean it and stuff, and so I guess that'll be terrible. Good luck with that. We do not have time to do the whole album, so we're doing one song off of the album. We already reacted to This Is Freedom. You can go see that video. But Your Nature Live.
I'm so excited.
A new version.
I love this song.
I love this song.
And it's going to be so good.
So it's 10 minutes. I doubt she's going to repeat the same spontaneous stuff that she does. So I'm sure
right,
we're
so
in
that's
for
the
like
best
some
part
whole new
about
thing.
it, that she's going to have some new spontaneous thing.
What do you expect?
As far as like, what do you mean?
You think it's going to be better than the Blessing version?
Okay. I do, because one thing is like there's people in the room.
Right.
That always changes
I know.
everything.
I know.
So like when she did it on The Blessing,
it was just
her. And so that's going to be cool. And I don't know. I feel like that'll change it.
Can you imagine if The Blessing had people in the room that you could hear?
Oh, I know. It would be insane. I'm excited to see what spontaneous stuff she does. I'm glad you brought that up, because
Well, it's 10 minutes long. 10 minutes and 11 seconds, I think is what that says. So
we're no longer staring down at the phone to look at stuff. We're staring.
Now we have it on my projector screen. So let's just.
Okay, pause it because I have to say something.
Are you joking? It already sounds cleaner.
I literally accidentally play this song all the time, and it's so annoying when I'm writing a song and I like do this like thing. I'm doing Your Nature. Like I accidentally yes, I love that. That's one of my favorite like musical like things.
I wonder if they're going to do anything different. I mean, I'm glad that they didn't do something because they changed up Heaven Invade kind of.
Right.
They changed up oh, good grief. The name just always leaves my mind. It's my favorite song.
They changed Firm Foundation.
Closer to Your Heart.
Oh, wait. You're talking about Kari songs.
Well, yeah, but that too. Okay. I mean, they always flip things up on us.
Right.
It's already cleaner than the... I can't wait to hear her voice. It's been over a year.
You bring life to the barren places.
Oh, it already sounds better because there's that like.
It already sounds better.
Darkest spaces glide. It's your nature.
Her voice is so present.
It is. It's so on top.
To the broken hearted hope.
I was just thinking that in my head. Here we That was different right there.
Yeah.
This part, this little vocal pad, right here. Right here.
Like drum part of it is very different.
Yeah. You can also hear people in the background too.
She sounds like so
How does she do that? That was different.
Yeah. When I first heard this song, I thought it said, "I know this wasteland will be home again." That's what I thought
whole.
it said. And it's whole.
Yeah.
But then forever after that, I thought, I always try to remember, is it home or whole? Because home makes sense, kind
It
of.
makes sense. I don't know.
And I thought,
agree.
like, maybe the lyrics should have been that. But whole makes more sense. It's just, that's something that always gets in my head.
I forget how long that chorus is.
I know.
You bring
Oh, I thought it was
That was
gonna kinda-
longer.
Yeah.
to the war inside us. Speak.
That's, she's enunciating all that.
She's
differently.
enunciating totally. You're right. Speak.
Yeah.
It's right.
She hung that out different too.
It's your nature. You bring joy.
Okay, that's different. It kind of builds up a little.
Broken heart.
There's
To the ones who lost to God. This verse
there's
is
a
sweet.
person behind.
To the ones who lost in God.
But she did to the ones who.
You're right. She is right there.
There is no desert that your streams can't rise through. There are no ruins that your won't make new. You tell the wasteland that it will bloom again.
Did she still go to falsetto and chorus 2 in the blessing one? Because I thought she was belting like that at that point.
Yeah.
You will restore.
I don't know.
Has stolen. I didn't know she was still
Keep the promise.
on this next. Well, yeah.
I know this wasteland
Yeah.
will be all again.
See, she went up into that
Yeah.
thing that no one else does.
I know.
It's in between the falsetto and belt. Here we were.
Sing out a barren wall. Sing out a broken land.
It's different. She's just singing it differently.
This is your promised land.
That's consistent.
Disappointment, break out of hopelessness.
That's how she used to do it.
Yeah. She's doing it more live. Like she's just.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That note was really different right there too. That little.
Oh, that was cool.
This is your promise.
It just has a very different vibe.
It has a belonging co vibe too.
Yeah. I like it.
Okay, here's where we're really.
I
That
know
bass
that-
was right there.
Yeah. Okay.
Here's where.
This is very different.
Here's where we really could get messed up. I mean, this could really just really get us.
Broken heart,
They're playing the bridge on the keys.
every missed moment,
You didn't miss
all anxiety, lay it down at his feet.
Is she gonna go into like a whole spontaneous part, or is she just gonna
She's just
kill
gonna,
us?
like,
Let him meet you there. Let him meet you there.
even her lows and stuff.
He sees you. He knows the deep things in your heart. He sees you. Come out of agreement with every lie of the enemy. Come out
That was some wrath. That's
She
what I
kind of
want.
did, did she not?
Get your hopes up, get your hopes up, get your hopes up, get your hopes up.
That's what I want. I'm sorry.
Get your hopes
I feel like she's being like, and then we're back.
Stretch out your hands, believe it. This is your promised land. Break out of disappointment.
There's literally
Cover
still
this
4
album
minutes.
is just like so.
So cool. We might even talk about that yet.
This is your promised land.
That's different right there.
Yeah.
There's literally still 3.5 minutes left in this song, and I don't know what left there is
I
to
know.
do. She can sing the chorus twice.
I
That'd
just-
take up 3 minutes.
I know. I want like another verse. So bad. I
What
don't
if
know.
she literally just wrote a whole new verse?
I
for
know,
this?
that would be so cool. But she won't because all of that was spontaneous. They're not going to do much of spontaneous like that.
Right.
Faith.
Okay. Just more of that, please. Though.
Those are my favorite. No one hums like Kari Jobe.
There is no death that your streets can run to. There are no ruins that your love won't make new.
It sounds like they're off the click.
Tell the wasted that it will again.
They're not on it yet.
How can she do that?
You will restore the years the chain has stolen. You'll keep the promises that you have spoken. I know this wasted will be whole again. 'Cause it's your nature.
She just held that out for so long.
I liked it better.
I did too. There's just so much more to it.
Right.
And
That
it's like-
spontaneous part, superior. The fact that you can hear the people in the back.
And like I said, it's something different when there's people in the room. There's something different about the worship leader when that happens. Just when there's other people responding to what you're doing,
Absolutely.
you just sing it differently, and it just sounds cooler because you can hear other people worshiping. I feel like this is one that I like it, and then I'm gonna go and listen to it in my car on my way home today,
Then you're really
and I'm gonna
like
cry.
it. Yeah.
Like
Definitely one of those
the one you
songs.
love.
Oh yeah.
But I already know the song. But like, I just feel like I'm gonna go
It's a
listen to
different
it, and I'm gonna
experience.
listen to all those words that she's saying in between. Oh, the Natalie Grant song, "Always,
Always there. I can quote it.
I can do the like spontaneous part. It wrecks me every time.
Every
and I didn't
single-
feel like that at first, but after listening to it, when she says, "I remember how you healed me. I remember how you restored me. I remember how you restored my voice.
I remember.
I recall and I recount your goodness." Yeah, that part
Oh
really makes me
goodness.
cry.
This is the one I'm most excited to listen to because we listened to the first minute of this and then turned it off, and it was one of the
yeah,
best
it was
songs I've
really
ever
good.
heard in my
and
life.
that was the guy that we've never heard before, and I liked his voice.
That's the one I'm gonna like cheat and listen to, and then like fake my reaction.
Let us know what you think in the comments.
Yes. Do you think it's the blessing version, the now version?
It's just it's just different. It's just the blessing seems there's more dynamic to the one in now, and I I like that about it. I know we're gonna have to do like a
Because
deep
I
dive
think it
into all
is
of
just
it.
one album
It is.
cut right in the middle.
It is. I mean,
Yeah, because, excuse me, like,
the song
what Always
is
There
here
Is,
now.
or Because of Christ is track 9, right? That's the last song on
Wait,
here.
this isn't here. It's not now.
This is now.
Oh, you're right.
So
Okay.
on here, Because of Christ is track 9, and it's the last song. And then this one has 10 tracks, and it picks up on Here Now, which I'm wondering, if it's a fast song, then by track 10, the Blind Co. always puts in another fast song. Because Smoke and Mirrors is track 10, All My Delight is track 10, and Hearing Your Love.
I could really see Here Now be a fast song.
Do you want to like hear the very beginning of it,
Yeah.
like a few seconds? This is on camera, so it's our reaction.
So it's gonna kind of be like,
That could
Middle?
easily turn into a fast song.
right? No, it will. It like
Hold on, wait, let's just go to like
I feel
4
that way
minutes
about
and
Won't
press play.
Stop Now.
For like 3 seconds.
It like, and then just go. Okay.
I'm trying to pause it, I really am. Okay. What?
It's gonna be so good. Okay, why is my phone locked me out? Okay.
I want to see this so bad.
Okay. Well,
This far, David Dennis. That's the one I'm most excited for.
I know. I'm
Or
searching for no strings. Like, what is that even gonna mean? Like, no strings attached?
Is it no strings attached? Like, I love
has-
you, Lord, and because I do, there's like no strings attached to it. I
Or
just
like-
love you just cuz. Or like, I
Is
have
it like,
no
there's
strings.
I have no strings attached anymore. Like, I'm free. Or like,
Right. I really.
no, you love me and there's no strings attached. Like, I don't have to.
Right.
You're not wanting anything from me.
Well, see, and it could be that way, or it could be the other way. She could,
Right.
like, this, no strings could literally just be like a one-liner that she, like, just says one time, and it's like, that just made that the name of the song, and the song could just be like,
just random.
I love you,
Like,
no
yeah.
matter what type of thing.
Right.
It's
No.
gonna be so good. Anyways,
It's gonna
thank
be
you guys
so
for
good.
watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe, comment, tell us which one you like
Follow
more
us on Instagram.
down below, and we will see you guys in our next video. Goodbye.